Hello, welcome to otfdha TV. It's good to have you here. Today I'll be sharing a noodle recipe with you. I made this simple veggie recipe and I thought to share it with you. This is delicious. It's so good. Good. It's packed with flavor. It's something you definitely want to try. So for this recipe, I'm going to use some ginger, a lot of pepper. If you don't like pepper, you can skip this, and some garlic. 3 cloves of garlic, a small piece of ginger, and my pepper. I cut them up with a knife. You can pound them or blend if you want. So we're going to do our noodles, our green beans, onions, some carrots, some broccoli, and of course chicken breast, which I did not show here. The ingredients will all be in the description. I'm also going to use some red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. Now I'm going to season our chicken breasts. I just put a little salt, some garlic, and some ginger. I just pounded them roughly. Stir it up and keep to marinate for about 30 minutes. Now for this recipe, you want to make sure all your things are prepped and kept. This recipe is just quick. We're going to put our water for our noodles on fire. Just put enough water, just as you cook your noodles. I know some people like it a little softer than others. Just cook it the way you want it. My noodles already had the seasoning scattered in it. When I opened one pack, it had the seasoning already scattered. So I put in these 2 packs with the seasoning inside. That's why you didn't see me putting additional seasoning. And the chili wasn't scattered inside, so I just put this chili. But just take note that the seasoning is inside these noodles already. After a few seconds, I just spread it so that it to cook evenly. Yeah, I'm checking the noodles. Of course, you'll be checking your noodles from time to time. I'm checking, and it's about ready. It is almost time to keep it down. I strained the noodles and kept them aside in the strainer. You can preserve the liquid a bit if you want. With the noodles aside, I went on to prep my chicken breast. Now I did not put too much oil. I don't like a lot. I don't like oil in my noodles normally, but for this recipe, I require some oil. I didn't put too much oil anyway. I cooked this until it was ready, guys. The aroma in this kitchen was just so good. The garlic, the ginger, just smelled so good. After removing the chicken, I put in my onions and also the garlic ginger I pounded. I'm just going to let this fry up a bit. Still the same oil I used, no additional oil in this. After about a minute, I put it in the green beans. I just stirred this up a bit for about 30 seconds before putting in the carrots. Now you can cut your vegetables to any size you want, but it's good to kind of make them uniform so that they cook evenly. My green beans it's a little more chunky than my carrots. I know it was going to get ready before the carrots. That's why I put it first and just gave it a little head start before the carrots. Added my carrots, added my pepper. Like I said, if you don't like the heat of the pepper, you can leave this out or you can reduce the quantity. It all depends on you, but I wanted this to be spicy. After this around, I added the second seasoning of the noodles. Guys, you do not need any additional seasoning. Just use the ones from the noodles. This thing is already salty enough. After stirring it, I put in my broccoli. The broccoli is optional, but I like broccoli. My kids like broccoli, so yeah, I put it in. And I wanted this to be rich with veggies, so that by the time I eat, I don't need to eat too much of the noodles, and I'll be full. With the vegetables ready, I added the chicken breast back into this and stirred it a bit before introducing the noodles into the pot. I put in the noodles, stirred it properly to make sure everything mixed well. Now, if you like your noodles with some liquid, you can take some of the liquid you kept aside, just a bit, and put it in it just to loosen it up and give it a little more liquid if that's what you want. But I didn't want that. I just wanted my noodles straight up like this. Now will be a good time to subscribe if you've not subscribed. When you subscribe, click on that bell by the side so that whenever new videos are posted, you'll be one of the first to get them. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps my small YouTube channel grow. It helps tell YouTube that you're enjoying the content you're watching so that they can push it out to other people. Thank you. Our noodles is ready. This thing is best served hot. So yummy, packed with flavor, guys. Give this a try. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. You guys know I like to read your comments. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. This was a very good lunch. I enjoyed it. The kids enjoyed it. And because of the veggies, I didn't have to eat so much of the noodles. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do have a blessed day. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.